For iOS app developers, signing is one of the necessary steps for packaging and publishing an app to the App Store or for internal testing. However, the signing process usually requires the use of Xcode or other macOS system tools and has some complexity and difficulty. To simplify the process, SignWeb provides a fast, secure, and convenient way to sign iOS apps. SignWeb is an online service platform that provides automated app signing services. For iOS app developers, users simply upload their certificate and corresponding description file. Then upload their iPA file, and SignWeb will automatically sign the file and generate a QR code for installing the app, which users can scan with any device that supports a QR code scanner code. To install the application, SignWeb offers many advantages over traditional signature methods, such as 1. Faster. Users don't need to wait for the long signing process because SignWeb automates the whole process. 2. More convenient. Developers do not need to install macOS system tools or other development tools because SignWeb is available on any device and is easy to operate. 3. More secure. SignWeb services are guaranteed in terms of security because it provides a reliable certificate signing system and a highly secure storage area, ensuring the security of your certificates and iPA files. All in all, SignWeb is a reliable, efficient, and secure signing service that provides an easier way for iOS app developers to sign their apps. If you are an iOS app developer, SignWeb is ideal for signing